Hello America, Tony McMillan, Walnut Ridge, Newcastle, Indiana. Hey, today we are taking a look at a beautiful leftover 2021. That's right, the 2022s are on their way in. So that makes this 2021 a leftover. This is a 2021 Cougar 355 FBS. The FB stands for front bath, so this has got a big master bathroom up front. Back here in the living area, you've got a tri-fold sofa. You've got tons of cabinet space up overhead. You've got theater seat recliners right directly across from your entertainment center. Your fireplace, that's a 4700 BTU electric heat source. Lots of cabinet space up front. Solid surface countertops. Single lever faucet with a sprayer. Dual stainless steel sinks, 3-burner stove, residential size microwave, big cabinet space, nice food prep area on each side, pop-up electrical outlets, and food pantry, so plenty of room to store all your food and stuff like that. And then you got this food pantry over, oh, just kidding, half bath. Great layout, hidden bathroom, lots of storage space in there. Nice mirrored medicine cabinet. Super cool. Keeps all your guests from having to go through the master bedroom, because when you have a front bath, you've got your king size bed here. You've got a bank of 4 drawers here. Of course, storage space underneath the bed. There's also some storage space back up here, which is actually over the half bath that's down there. And then up here, you've got a walk-in closet. You've got a big full-size shower with a seat. Of course, as always with Cougars, porcelain toilets all the way around. Plenty of room at your bathroom vanity. You got big mirror, and you've got plenty of room in here for a washer, a dryer, lots of storage space. Even electrical outlets and USB chargers in there. Absolutely an awesome floor plan, guys. Come take a look at it for you and your family. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.